don't know what the hell this fella's carrying. Holy dooly, looks like a machine gun. Let's go up the front and we'll see what's going on. Holy dooly. Looks like he's ready for Iran.
Hey mate?
Hunting terrorists, are we?
Something like that.
What is that? What's that gun you got there? Do you mind that?
Daniel's Defence.
Is that like, it's not a proper gun though, like it's, what's in it? Like bullets? Jeez. Pretty terrifying.
Oh, it's not terrifying. It's supposed to reassure you if something happens, we're here to protect everyone.
Sure you are.
Okay.
Keep protecting.